Hey, good morning everyone, because this one actually came from Good Morning America and NBC, and honestly it proves everything I've been warning about for months. So NBC did this whole segment showing off Roblox's new safety feature, and let me tell you, this isn't safety. This is forced identity verification, plain and simple. They're rolling out government ID checks, AI face scans, and age-tiered accounts, and locking down features unless you hand over your personal data. And NBC framed it like, wow, Roblox is protecting kids. But here's the part that they don't show you. Families are getting locked out of accounts they've used for years, while Roblox keeps charging their accounts for monthly subscriptions. And yeah, that happens. Happened to us. Let me tell you what actually happens. Kids have been playing Roblox for years. They already did the age checks. They already passed the face scans. They've already been verified accounts. But suddenly Roblox decides, nope, not enough. You need a parent account now. So up we go. You got to have a parent account who does, for a person who doesn't even play Roblox, had to create a whole adult account, hand over her ID, verify her age, link the kids to approve everything. They've already been doing this for years. And then, could the kids get back in? Meanwhile, Roblox kept taking their monthly payments. Warnings, no pause, no refunds, just pay us, but you can't play until you comply. That's not safety. That's extortion in disguise as child protection. NBC loves to say Roblox is full of scams. Politicians love to say Roblox is dangerous. Advocacy groups love to say kids are helpless. But let me be real with you. Most scams are so obvious a 6-year-old can spot them from a mile away. Kids today grew up online. They know a free Robux is fake. They know click this link is fake. They know trade me your rare item is a fake. And kids aren't stupid. They're actually smarter online than most adults. So what's the real danger? Not scams, not games, not chat. It's the data Roblox collects. Roblox now collects government IDs, metadata, facial age estimations, device fingerprints, parent-child account links, payment histories, behavioral analytics, and Roblox has already had developer database leaks, API vulnerabilities, and account takeover waves. So adding ID and face data to the ecosystem, yeah, that's a disaster waiting to happen. Once that data exists, it will leak. It's not an if, but it's a when. Kids who grow up behind these lockdowns, ID verification platforms are going to hit 16 and suddenly be thrown into the real internet with no experience, no instinct, no digital street smarts. We learned by doing. We learned by messing up once. We learned by figuring it out. Kids today are learning you're not allowed. You're too young. You need your parents. That's not safety. That's manufacturing helplessness. Roblox isn't protecting kids. Roblox is protecting itself from lawsuits. And in the process, they're forcing families into a biometric identity system that just to keep them playing a game that they've already paid for. NBC shows the shiny version. I'm showing you the real one. Trust me, this is only the beginning. Like, follow, and subscribe. We'll be back with more.